Hi friends, today we're going to be getting some cleaning done. Use this video as inspiration if you're just feeling like you don't want to clean, you don't want to do like the daily things around the house that need to be done every day. That's what this video is for. Hopefully it will inspire you, get you up, get you going. We can do this together. So I'm not doing anything too crazy in this video, just like simple things. I gotta wash the towels and dry them obviously. I have to clean both of our bathrooms, the upstairs one and the downstairs one. Gotta do dishes, vacuum, probably while I'm in here vacuuming, clean up the windows sills is what they're called. They get dirty, so clean those down. That's really it. I know that doesn't sound like anything, but that's the point. It's like just a simple clean with me video, get some stuff done around the house, get up, get going. You got this, we got this. Well, let's go. Don't like to vacuum, huh? I know it's so loud, but hey, shall we? Almost done. I am already sweating up a storm. This is making me look even worse though. What the heck? I'm starting to feel like I'm getting a little bit allergic to my skincare. Not allergic, I don't know. I think my skin is just getting more sensitive to it now because I did my skincare this morning and my face actually has been like almost like a sunburn, unless I am sunburnt. Because I went outside yesterday and went for a little walk. I didn't put sunscreen on. I don't know. Because I was noticing when I was putting my skincare on, my Curology, it was kind of making my cheeks like this a little bit, but I've been using that for months and months and months, and my face never was doing this until just recently. But I don't know if that's what that is. Not the point why I started filming. The point why I started filming is I'm gonna clean these windowsills. Like I said, we don't have magic erasers, unfortunately. I used the last one to clean the doors a couple weeks ago or something, so that's okay. Hopefully Lysol well, this isn't Lysol, but it's like the same thing. Multi-purpose cleaner will do the trick. Yeah, look how dirty those are, guys. Bella, I just vacuumed that. Y'all, proof right here. I just vacuumed that, baby. Oh, it's okay. I'll let you. It's not that hard to vacuum up again. I feel like people forget about like windows. Yeah, the lighting's gonna be weird, but let's try this out. Okay, I'm not sure what this black stuff is, but it's not really coming off that well, so I'll probably just need something else, but can do that another day. It looks better than it did, y'all saw, so progress.
What is going on here?
Stop it.
There you go. I got all set up for you. Are you happy? What I have to do, I had to clean up your mess. It's okay, though. Oh, yawns. It's gonna be me after this video. You're so cute. You wanna give him kisses? Mwah. Good girl. This is so off topic and not the point of the video, but I highly recommend this candle. We haven't burned it yet, but it smells amazing. You can obviously see juicy raspberry, blackberry sorbet, berry smoothie. Found it at Dollar General, so your local dollar store, Walmart, you will not regret this. I love it.
Bruh.
Okay, I didn't finish filming, but I finished up that and dusted that, so it's all dusted. That took me longer than I thought it would, but that's fine. I also added dusting to it, and dusting usually takes me a while because I try to do a good job. There's always like some spots that I can never get fully, but I'm definitely out of breath now. Just took the trash out. Oh my gosh, I don't know how I'm editing this, if like it filmed where you can see it, but in the bathroom when I was like setting my camera up so I could take the trash out, my camera fell and I was so scared because it fell right on the screen, and when I went to pick it up I was like, the screen's cracked because there's no protector on it or anything, and it's not cracked. I'm not trying to brag, but I have actually really good luck with screens of mine not cracking. I have like little scratches on my screen protector on my phone, but I've never cracked any of my devices. Knock on wood. It should have cracked and it didn't, so thank you Lord, because I would have been really sad. But it did freak me out. I picked it up and it said memory card error. I was like, oh no, please tell me you're gonna work. And I just turned it off and back on and it was fine, so thank you, because that was a really hard fall. And Dad, if you're watching this, I was lucky. My dad bought this camera. It's not cheap, but it's perfectly fine.
What is going on here?
I'm all done cleaning for the day. Hope you guys got some cleaning done too with me, and if you did, I'm proud of you, even if it was little things too. Any little thing, I'm proud of you. Stay tuned for a future video. I'm not sure when it'll be up, but I'm doing something similar to this video. Some of you actually already know if you follow me on Snapchat. Hopefully that video will be up in June. That's the goal. That's the goal here. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the post notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a brand new video, especially the one I just told you about. And with that being said, I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.